Wow, look at that nail. So they say your work is never done. Well, I happen to be laying on the ground doing some other stuff, taking a nail out and repairing a flat for my boy Derrick. That's my little kit, my repair kit to fix flats. And as you can see, I almost got the nail out. It's coming. It's being stubborn. Hear that air? It's coming. So then what I gotta do is take one of these, or take this, rip out the nail, put some of this around it, stick it in there. It'd be good as new. Use my air compressor, blow it up. So, alright guys, I'm out. Derrick, say hi to the people. Alright. That's what you call a nail. Wow. You hear that ear? That thing is just coming out. So time to patch it up. Alright, so I had to get my man Derrick. He got the extra muscle. And we had to pull the car up a little bit. We're trying to be a little lazy with the working. Meaning we're trying to see if we could just do it without taking the tire off.
Is that good?
But let's see. Yeah, that looks pretty good.
Oh, we gotta go deeper. Like
No, I think that's pretty good. Just we gotta let it like dig all in there and twist it up so that the other thing just be able to go in there smooth. All right, we'll be back with you guys. This is how to repair a flat tire with a patch kit. All right, so now what we got to do is shred this in here. It's like gooey stuff. You put it in the middle of this thing, and then you got to stab it in the tire. So check it out. Okay, gotta have it right in the middle like this. All right, check it out. Right in the middle, like this. And then you stick it in the hole. And then you pull this out, and it gets stuck in there. So, check it out. All right, that's how it's supposed to look. And then what you do is pull the handle out, and the stuff gets stuck in there. So, note to self, don't be lazy. Just take the tire off. Don't try to do it with the tire still on. When you take the tire off, you get more space. You get more, force you could use. So, gotta take the tire off. But let's see if this works. Shit. All right, so we said forget it. Might as well jack the car up, take the tire off, because it would have took us all day trying to do this. So we'll get back to you when the tire's off. All right, now we got the tire off, and it's time to get in this hole. What you gotta do is put this in there, and you gotta keep going and dig into it so you can make it smooth. All right, so here we go. All right. Okay, that's what it's supposed to look like, guys. Take this, keep pushing it in there, bam. So now we got the patch in there. Don't worry the way it look. Eventually, as you're driving, it's gonna get real hot. It's gonna bond it together, and then the little tips will fall off eventually. So pretty much that's it. You gotta put the tire back on, fill it back up with air, and all you gotta do is start driving. It's a done deal. Derrick? All right. Okay, the tire's back on, and we're lowering it to the ground. Then we're gonna put some air in it. Stay tuned. This air compressor is only $29.99 at AutoZone. You can set it for how much air you want to go into. You can walk away from your car. Once you get to that, it'll stop. Pretty good. $29.99 AutoZone. Just saying. All it does is go in your cigarette lighter. You even got a light on it. So if you got to do this in the dark, $29.99. AutoZone. All right. All right. The tire is done. So that's it. So, pretty much nothing else to say. But me and my man Derrick.
Happy customer.
That's it. So, say it with me, guys, on the count of 3. And now, your mama knows.